So in number 6, we have two similar quadrilaterals. Calculate the value of x. So here you have to look at the corresponding sides. So that side corresponds to that. That one. And we know that this side here also corresponds to that one. So basically what we can do is apply, just find the ratios of these sides, and that should be able to find the missing side. So the ratio of the sides, which should be equal because the two shapes are similar, they will be given by this. So x over 5 should be the same as 12 over 8. And what I've done is basically to take the ratios of the corresponding sides, because if they're similar, then the ratios of the corresponding sides have to be equal. That's basically why I have this statement here. So that implies that x will be equal to 5 multiplied by 12 over 8, which will be equal to 7.5. Okay, to find y, again, you just have to take the ratios of the corresponding sides. So y over 15 should be equal to 8 over 12, which implies that y will be equal to 8 multiplied by 15 over 12, and that will be equal to 10 centimeters. And then the remaining part, I'll just work it out here, this part here, but see. So the area of P is 60, so the area of this guy is 60. So they want us to find the area of Q. So let's start by finding the ratio of sides. So ratio of sides, or ratio of lengths. So ratio of sides. And here we're taking the larger over the smaller, because you're trying to find the area of the larger one. So 12 over 8, and that should be equal to 1.5. So the ratio of areas will be equal to 1.5 squared, which will be 2.25. So what that means is that the area of Q will be equal to 2.25 times the area of the smaller guy, so multiplied by 60, and that will be equal to 135 centimeters squared. That's basically how you work out. But see, number 7, the area of circle S is given by is 4 centimeters squared. The radius of circle T is 3 times the radius of circle S. So which means if the radius here is x, which means the radius of this guy here will be 3x. So basically the radius is the distance from the center to that to the circle, and that we are saying if this is x, then the distance from here to here will be 3x. Yeah. Okay, so basically I also given more information. The area of S is 4 centimeters squared, so I'll just add that. Area is 4 centimeters squared. So they want us to find the area of T. We can start by finding the ratio of the lengths, and the lengths that we have are the radius. So ratio of lengths will be 3x over x, which is 3. So the ratio of the areas will be 3 squared, which is 9. That basically means that the area of the larger circle is 9 times the area of the smaller circle. So area of T will be equal to 9 multiplied by 4, which will be 36 centimeters squared.